Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. And today we are going to be doing, finally, we are out of the expressing yourself category. And today we are going to be doing our day 11 of our 30 days crash course. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and look at our past days that we have uploaded. And if you are new or if you haven't watched this, like the past ones, so go ahead and watch those. And if you are on the track with us, so come on and let's check out our episode or day or whatever you want to call it, day 11 of our 30 days crash course. So we are going to be learning about how to write an effective email. Writing an effective email, I've seen this a lot of times currently when you are having Gmail, so it can help you a lot with writing emails, and also you have ChatGPT there, so it can help you a lot. I'm gonna add those in the end also, just in case anybody gets offended that I didn't write AI in it. So just in case if anybody gets offended, I have written AI. So other than those, we have actually a way of writing authentic and a way of writing actual emails and effective emails, which is formal, informal. There are many ways of writing emails. I'm not going to show you, and I'm not going to write an email for you people, and I'm not going to show you the model, etc. You can find a lot of effective emails online, but we still do have these things that can help you in having an effective email. So first of all, let's go into our topic and let's learn about it. Structure and format. Now, the most important thing is the structure, the format that lots of people do not know about. They just write to this person, from this person, subject is this. For example, in Gmail or in the Windows 11 mail, in that you have, like, you can say to this person, subject is this, or the main topic is this, and then just write whatever you want to write in the end, yours sincerely, and done. It's not like that. It's not like that. Not at all. You have a perfect format of writing an email. There is informal and formal emails. So the structure and the format of emails is pretty important. And after that, there are formal and informal emails. If you're writing an informal one, which is to your friends, etc., so I believe you will not write an email to your friends nowadays, because people use WhatsApp for those type of things. But if you're writing a formal email to a kind of agency or to a kind of authority or your seniors or anybody else you have there, so for that reason, you have to be a bit more formal. It is very important to stay formal, because if you are not formal, they are going to fire you as soon as possible, or either not going to give you the project, etc., whatever you want to say, they are not going to give you that. So for that reason, you have to be polite, you have to be formal, you have to be good with your topic. Okay, so finally, how to write it? I'm going to give you people an example right now on the screen. This is the format of writing an email. See it? Yes. So this is a format of the, or the structure and format of a formal, or whatever you want to call it, informal email. This is the format of it. This is how you do it. This is how you write it. This is the way you have it. Okay. After that, writing formal and informal emails is pretty easy. But the thing is that you have to take care of authenticity. If you are writing it casually, if you are writing it normally, so then it's not going to be supposed to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. They are not going to approve of your email. They are going to just say, nah, this email is not good, this email is not authentic, this email is not professional. It is casual. It is like as if he's talking to his friends. So the structure and the format is very important for any type of emails that you guys are going to write in the future. Now, politeness and professional language in emails. This is pretty important. So you have to have polite and professional language in emails, and then when you correspond to that email, you have to have the professional and polite language. So being polite and professional is very important when corresponding, because your first impression is your last impression. But in the case of emails, no, it's not like that actually. In the case of emails, you correspond towards that email is where you show your true colors. So on the basis of that, they are going to ask or going to answer your ideas or your personality or whatever you have currently going on. They are going to answer that on the basis of your correspondence, if it is professional or polite, or if it is informal and casual. They are going to be firing and giving you the job or whatever you are writing an email for, or even if you are trying to talk to the authorities, they are going to not give answers or not correspond to your correspondence. That's a weird word. So they're not going to respond to you back because you were informal and casual rather than being polite and professional. So finally, last but not least, email writing exercises and feedback. There are a lot of exercises of email writing you can find on the internet a lot. Personally, I'm not a person who writes these things a lot. I'm a person who uses something else for my emails. I have people who write emails for me. I have my personal way of writing emails. And overall, I do know how to write emails, but I've never used exercises. So there are a lot of exercises you can find out there. There is a list of exercises currently on your screen. Yes, so these are a few exercises of the many exercises you can find out there, and if you want a detailed version, go ahead and search on Google. You can find the meaning and the usages of all these exercises out there. And after that, finally, feedback. Feedback is very important. You have to have feedback from any person, because when you have feedback, you will be able to explain if it was authentic, if it was authoritative, if it was polite and professional, or if it was casual and informal. You will be able to see that what type of email was it, and they are going to correspond to your email through that way. And if your email was good, well done, you are going good. And finally, last but not least, my personal addition that I did was AI, artificial intelligence. You have many things like Gmail's personal helping assistant that can help you in writing emails. Then there is ChatGPT that we have. There is Bart. There is the, I think, Snapchat AI. There is also that. There is a lot of AI. In simple words, a lot. There is no lack of such type of AIs. You can find a ton of them out there for free, not even for money. You're going to find them for free. Yeah, you heard me right. Free. So go ahead, and if you are not capable of writing these yourself, well, of course, if you are an English student, you should be able to write them. But if still you are new and you cannot write, so try to make ChatGPT or whatever you are using be professional, polite. Tell him the keywords that you should be formal, professional, polite. You should be having a good structure and format, and you should write a topic, an email of certain topic and certain post at a certain place. And then if there is any kind of changes you want, copy it, paste it in the Word or Excel or whatever you are going to use. Paste it in there. After that, you can have the changes for it. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for staying with me. And this was our episode or day, whatever you want to call it, of email and etc. So this is all. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.